Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and step into and get LinkedIn QR code. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do, simply gonna go ahead first access your LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you have done so, here in this homepage this kind of interface will pop up. Now what you're gonna do, you can simply go ahead, tap on this search bar, and you will find this QR code given beside the search bar. Once you have tapped in to it, let me do it again, go back, tap on your search bar, and boom, here's this QR code of ours. And now tap on it, and now it will show this kind of interface. You can see my code is just given. If you want to scan, you can do it as well. Go to my code, tap on the save to gallery. Now allow it the permission. Now this particular QR scan is now saved to my gallery. If I have to send it to someone, if somebody asks for it, I can simply go to my gallery, tap on it, and I can share it via any of the social media platforms I have. I can share them at the QR code like that. So this is the way you guys can do it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.